Hi, what's up? It's Adam and
Ughhalle.
today we're going to be making a little craft project. I decided for a little bit that I wanted to decorate my room. All the girls that walk into my room usually say it looks like a prison cell.
Get all the ladies.
All the ladies, they be like, "It's like a prison cell." Yeah, I wanted to make a little collage of pictures that I really enjoy, whether that being from my friends or pictures like this. So first thing I got was all the pictures from Walmart. I spent 3 consecutive days going back and forth to different Walmarts around town. Then you'll need some scissors, a frame to put the pictures in, 2 posters so I can put the pictures on them. Tape. So I think we just f***ed up.
I wasn't here when you purchased these.
We didn't?
No.
Okay, we didn't. You're right. You guys would like to donate to my Venmo so I can actually afford a tripod? Let's pull up some cool questions. What is your favorite subject in school?
Reliving high school memories by making a collage for his bedroom.
What's the worst existing picture of yourself? If I have multiple, I put them all on Google, so if you look up my name, you'll find them. How often do you play sports? All the time.
He is running through my mind.
What is the most annoying habit that other people do? I think biting their nails. Like, let me bite my nails.
Look, some of us have anxiety, Adam.
What would be the most amazing adventure to go on? I feel like one of those, like, waterfalls, you know, like those, or random places that people don't know about, or ziplining, or like the jungle. That's pretty cool. What's your favorite drink? I like water. I did only drink water.
You really do, and it makes me self-conscious.
What songs have you completely memorized? A song I know by heart would be I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Are you usually early or late? I say I'm not late. I'm never late. I'm usually like early.
You were late on prom.
I wasn't late.
Sure you were.
Anyways,
I wasn't mad because my makeup was terrible.
what
Insert that picture here.
what pets did you have while you were growing up? I had a puppy named Fusi, and it was a named Fusi, Rottweiler little girl, and then I had then now I have 3 dogs, Bisho, Basha, and Milo. What takes too much of your time? Editing, I believe, because I have to edit like 3 hours of footage from like over my month, and then putting it all together into a video and stuff. I'm just scared, like, what if it doesn't fit? We can stack on top, right? Okay. What are some small things that make your day better? Breakfast in bed. Who's your go-to band or artist when you can't decide something to listen to? Like Wallows, Mariah Carey. What are you most looking forward to in the next 10 years? Death. What's up? This is Adam from the future. As you can see, the poster's already done. But I ended up not using anything she was making in the back. Yeah, I like it. The next day, I just made sure I cut out all the pictures, printed out more pictures. Right now, I'm just cutting stuff out. I'm just cutting dead space and just puzzling it together, putting it together, and seeing what looks good and what doesn't. So, yeah. But yeah, this is what's happening right now. So far, it's looking pretty alright, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. So if you're gonna make this, I suggest you work outside in. I made like a rectangular shape, like an outline of what I wanted.
Why are you doing it?
So right now what I'm doing, holy crap, I look so yucky, dude. So I want to get this collage done with by the end of the day. I've decided I just want to tape stuff now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start taping. It's getting there. So after 5 or 6 days of printing pictures and doing all this, your boy's finally finished, and now it's just time to put it inside the frame and hang this boy up. Look at the boy. Damn, that's heat. That's heat. Look at that. Holy shit. I did that. I'm proud of myself. I said I was gonna do it and I did it, y'all. It's pretty heat. Pretty heat. So I just got done putting everything together. Now it's time to put it in the frame. is heat. Finally done. This is the finished product. Oh, I did that. What the hell? Y'all see that? That's heat. Okay. Your boy finished. Pretty happy and finally put this up and have some sort of decoration. It was a long process. Thank you to everyone who tried to help me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another video of me trying to do something like a craft, just let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Adios. Bye.
Oh my god. I'm only in it once.
Shut up.
It's absolutely the cutest thing I've ever seen, and I want one.
Dude. Shut up. The Oscar goes to...
Oh my god, that is so funny.